na kayo. Yung difference lang ng first runner-up at ng champion ay 2 points. Close fight talaga. 2 points lang ang pinagkaiba ng ating first runner-up at ng ating champion. Yeah, 2 points lang, grabe. Sino kaya ang nag-out?
Wait na! May 10 points na ako sabi ni Sir John!
Wala.
Sir John!
Sino kaya ang nag-out? Nawala yung 2 points. Alright, and now we're going to announce our first runner-up with total scores of 1,051 points. Drum roll, please. Nasaan na si... Congratulations to... Red Team!
Ayaw mo na sila pila. Pila mo na sila.
Congratulations to Red Team!
Meron na lahat?
Congratulations to Red Team! Ayan. The Red Team will get or will receive plushes, pisong exclusive plushes,
Wala pa na isa.
medals, and cash prize.
Ano sa tanto? Talo pa nga kami kila ano eh.
Si Girlie.
Kabila isa.
Kasi yan na pala.
Kabila isa. Sir, Yan, kabila isa. Para pamantay. Smile.
Pula! 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 Pula!
One,
Pula! 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 Pula!
Happy.
Happy! Hep, hep!
Congratulations to Red Team! And now, our champion! With a total score of 1,053 points, Blue Team! Taob! Taob!
Camera.
Taob!
Kaya na lang. Okay, ito yun. Sige. Yan na, yan yung ginawa ko yun. Ito, okay na yan. Okay, tama ko. Champion banner. Spread para... Ay na.
Congratulations to Blue Team!
Transfer ka sa kabila. Ay na, on the other side.
Ram, dapat mag-tennis ka na lang eh.
May laro pa kayo na umaga.
Ay na.
Saka si...
Saka si... Okay, one, smile, smile. Champion.